Hello, and thank you for watching this tutorial. This tutorial, we are going to learn how to calculate PayPal fees. We're also going to learn how to calculate PayPal fees where we want to know how much we need to get from the buyer to get a certain amount of money from the buyer. Well, let's begin. First, I'm going to open up the internet here and show you exactly what we're working with. See how this item says, the item you're selling for $150, PayPal will take $4.65 in fees, leaving you with $145.35. PayPal takes quite a bit of money from you. Well, let's try to fix this. For one, I'm going to show you the code first. This is the PayPal class that I created. I figured we might as well make a PayPal class that's object-oriented. That way we can use it wherever we want instead of having to write all this code out one by one. We can use this over and over and over anywhere. Well, the first thing we need to look at here is the get fees. We obviously take the price, for example, $150 in this case. We pass it to the get fees here. And then we say, alright, $150. Then we multiply that by the PayPal percent of 2.9% here. Then we add 30 cents. Then we format the number out to 2 decimal places, and we return everything as an array. We say the original price, which is what we got here, which is going to be our first value in our array. The fees will be the second value that we have, and then how much we have that we're going to receive, which uses the subtract function down here. Basically it says price, subtract the fees, and then we return the value. And then that's the third value in our thing, and then we just return this array. And that just comes out to test 1 here. So basically what we do, we say, I echoed out the item you're selling for this amount of money, test 1. Test 1 was the price that we're starting with. And then it says test 1 value 2 here, which is going to be the second value in the array, which is the fees. And then we grab the third value, which is how much we have left over. Now, when we redo this, it says that we have this much. But let's say we want to change that to 123.56, for example. We want to get that. We want to know that. We want to know how much PayPal is going to take. They're going to take $3.88 from us, leaving us with $119.68. Well, now we're going to go on just a little bit here. We're going to explore into the next thing. I'm going to show you it before I describe it. Basically, here we said we want $175. So in order to get that, we need to get $180 from our buyer. The PayPal fees will be $5.54. The total we get will be $175. Well, let's take a look at the PHP class. It's obviously calling the to get the price that we're getting here, $175. Basically, it sets it as a total, and then here's the formula. Looks all complex. Basically, it's just saying that anything that's in here is going to be a negative value. So we're going to say 30 cents divided by the PayPal percent minus 1. And then we minus the total. Then we have to divide that, put it over PayPal percent, 2.9% minus 1. And that will give us our price, which sets this formula. And then we format that out to the price. And then we call the get fees down here because this is our total. And then the first value in the fees right here is, or the second right here, second value is the fees. And then we obviously just take the total, which is how much we need, and we subtract the PayPal fees here, and then we return the value. Basically, it looks something like this. And that right there, that's how we calculate PayPal fees. I will have a link on this YouTube page so you can check out my code Thank you. Actually, we have a advertiser. Imagine Design Now. It's a website company out of Michigan. They aren't like most companies. They sell websites for like $50 a month instead of $40 an hour. But you're stuck with them basically. It includes hosting, but your domain's extra. And it includes customer support. And they're actually pretty good at what they do. They're they have really good technical support, and you can easily contact them. Their website loads up pretty fast. And check them out. Imagine Design Now. Thank you for watching.